I don't know about you guys, but for me, packing is an anxiety trigger that I dread if waiting to pack the day before the trip. To avoid the oncoming stress, here are 7 easy packing tips that you must start now when planning for your trip. Believe you me, it's all well and good to plan an itinerary about a month or so before your trip, but bad weather can put a damper on things. So, 3 to 4 days before your trip, make sure you check the weather and make a backup itinerary plan. And you want to pack at least 3 to 4 days before your trip so you're not packing the night before, staying up till 1 o'clock, and you cannot enjoy the journey there. Try to bring clothes you'll feel comfortable in and also confident to wear for style and those inevitable vacation pictures. Since having a 2 cavity suitcase, it's best to pack vertically instead of horizontally in piles, making sure that your outfit pieces are right next to each other. My favorite packing method is the burrito. Now, shirts, leggings, and jeans can roll easily burrito style, while sweatsuits and other bulkier items can be more of a challenge and take up a little bit more space. So bras, robes, pajamas, and even slippers can be packed nearby. Fold laundry bags flat and zip them out of the way. And never, and I mean never, put your shoes loose in your bag to dirty up your clean clothes or germ up the inside of your suitcase. There is germy spittle, nasty viruses, and disgusting animal poop remnants on the ground that your shoes pick up every day. An easy remedy? Use clear plastic shower caps so you can easily see your shoes for each day, and it's cheap to buy. $1 at the Dollar General or $1.25 at Dollar Tree. If you have time to send off for it, it's even 59 cents for about 300 on Shein and about $2.43 for 100 pieces on TEMU. You have plenty to choose from. You can fit another pair of shoes, some slides, and 1 or 2 pair of flip-flops in there as well. And do know that this is a carry-on size bag. So if you're flying, you can have 5 complete outfits, 4 bras, 2 pair of pajamas, 4 to 5 pairs of shoes, and wear your jacket on the plane and have your personal or purse to go with you, and you're all set. Now, I absolutely love my Wadama toiletry bag because it has a jewelry compartment in the front. You can fit your earrings, rings, stud earrings, bracelets, watches, chains, necklaces, all that right in one spot, and you'll have everything while you're on your trip. Now it unfolds to have about 5 to 6 more compartments, 4 larger and 2 smaller to fit your little incidentals that you may need. And they have plastic coverings so that if something spills, it doesn't get on everything else. There's also a hook inside so that you can hang it in the bathroom or closet where you're going. Very convenient. And last but not least, be hands-free. There is nothing that I hate more than having a shoulder or handbag weighing me down while I'm trying to tour somewhere. Do take a neutral backpack or crossbody so that your arms or shoulders won't get tired while walking around. I absolutely love our 5-piece Joyway luggage set. It comes in many different colors, so you can get it easily on Walmart.com or Amazon, and I'll link both of those down below. And you can also get the Wadama toiletry bag from there, and I'll link that down below as well. I love the set too because all 5 pieces fit in one unit. So remember, your next size down bag goes in the zipper part of the suitcase, not the other side because the handle is over there and it's too bulky. So it goes in this zippered side with the wheels at the opposite end. You can't zip it up, so it just flaps over and then it fits perfectly like that. Now, if you want to keep your items safe inside, there is a combination lock, so you can keep your items securely safe. And that's it. Those are my 7 travel tips. Add your stress-free packing tips down below and help me and someone else. Remember to get that toiletry bag and the other luggage items, and au revoir and safe travels.